Over 30, stiff and stressed? That's exactly why yoga was made for you. Let's be real. Once you hit 30, your body starts talking. Tight shoulders, stiff back, constant stress. But here's the truth. You don't need to twist like a pretzel to feel better. Yoga isn't about flexibility. It's about calm, clarity, and connection. Yoga gives you a space to slow down, to notice your breath, to release the tension you didn't even realize you were carrying. It's not about fancy poses. It's about creating peace in your body, one breath at a time. And if you think you're too stiff or too out of shape, that's exactly why yoga is for you. Especially after 30, your nervous system needs care. Your mind needs space. Your body? It's craving movement without pressure, without judgment. Gentle yoga can lower your stress, improve your sleep, and help you feel more at home in your own skin. No mirrors, no competition, just you reconnecting with yourself. Because healing doesn't require flexibility, it only requires you to show up. So if you're 30 or beyond, this is your reminder. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be flexible. You just have to start. This is yoga for everybody. Follow for more calming, beginner-friendly practices.